Welcome to Danang! Welcome to Danang! Grabe guys, sa makaaga ko umalis. Late daw. So nagmamadali tayo. Pahamak talaga yung nasakyan ko sa Pitex. Hey! Finally, umabot tayo guys. Sorry guys. Pasensya na po sa mahabang pila sa inyo.
Good Samaritan ako, ang dami kong pinasuna. Sobrang bait ko.
Laki ng luggage mo ha.
Japan.
Isang buwan. So, we are heading to Danang. Ang flight natin ay 6:45 ang ating boarding. Bagong. So, papunta na kami sa boarding area. Ang gate namin is 1:16. And so, boarding time namin is 6:45. Like from tayo guys. So, meron kaming dinner breakfast. Deluxe egg sandwich.
Together we have flight cabin crew team for this flight. Well, thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments.
Tara. Welcome to Danang! So, it's 9 o'clock here in Danang. So, 1 hour late here sa Danang. It's 10 o'clock in the Philippines. So, nandito tayo ngayon and we're just gonna get our luggage. Tapos, grab na tayo going sa ating hotel. Parang mom, tapos susundin niya na yung kid niya. Good job, luggage.
Tinutulungan mo ako.
I'm helping you by capturing the moment. Ito mo nag-antay sa akin. Oh. Hanap ka ng banner.
Ano?
Hanap ka ng banner na nag-antay sa'yo. Tourism sites, taxi fare nila. So from airport, going to Marble Mountains, 5-seater, 257,000. Bana Hill, 400,000. Lumalabas pa para lang sunduin.
Ay, no.
Extra service. Pa-exchange tayo guys ng $100. Ito yung price sa dog. I'm a millionaire. 2, 4, 5. Okay. 180. Ayaw gumana. Ano ba? Hindi doon. Itatak lang. Sa taas, sa taas. Oh. Ang layo kasi ng tap mo eh.
First time travel. Na nagpaantay pa. Ako makacheck.
Lo. Sino yun?
Gago ka.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a room tour sa ating kwarto here in Diamond Sea Hotel. Palit lang siya. CR. We have toilet, towels, and the usuals. Medyo old school yung feel ng rooms. Ilalim. Yan. Safe. What's this? Another cabinet. Fridge. Mini bar. Mga free stuff. And eto for sure binibenta. Chairs. Dalawa. And this is the bed. So this is a twin size bed. Yun lang siya. Wala tayong view kasi yung view dun kapitbahay. So pag binuksan natin makita natin yung kapitbahay. So yun lang. And now we're heading out for late dinner. Oh yeah. Haribo. We're trying this tropical ice cream. Coconut ice cream. So this one is 20,000, 25,000 yogurt. Ayan pala oh. 100, parang 100 pesos. Wait for okay. No problem.
Eat here.
Yeah, yep. So 45 and 35 dong. So we ordered ice cream in coconut and mais con yellow.
Hindi, ginataang
Bilo-bilo.
with ice.
So this is 35,000 and that's 40,000. Mas mahal yun.
Mas mahal yung akin.
First meal, pampasira ng tiyan. Durian. Durian ice cream. Bumili kami ng bibili kami ng water tapos di kami bumili ng water. Iba pili namin. Ito kasi.
Ano ba?
Kakadurian mo yan eh. Hey guys, so it's 12:25 in the morning in the Philippines and it's just 11:25 or 11:30 here in Da Nang, Vietnam. Nakaligo na ako and we're just prepping up my stuff and then we're go to sleep na. That's the end of our day for today. Tomorrow we need to wake up early and figure out how to go to Bana Hills. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. So, nandito na tayo guys sa Bana Hills. Medyo clueless kami pero sinusundan lang namin yung mga tao. So, ito guys yung reality here. So, daming tao.